ups and downs are worth it. Long way to go, but we're working. We're flawed, but we're still perfect for each other. Yeah. Sometimes I thought we'd never see the light. We went through hell with heaven on our side. This beach ain't always been no paradise, but nightmares only last one night.
No more clubs and Cali curfew.
So, welcome back to my channel. I don't know why I got y'all. There we go. Welcome back to my channel. I'm rocking my SC shirt. I'm about to style my hair. This is, for those of you guys who don't know and who are new to my channel, this is my JC exclusive hair. It's raw Indian, premium raw Indian hair. And I have a 18 and a 16. Their bundles are really thick. I'll make sure to link, sorry y'all, move her scrolling. I'll make sure to link the website below, as well as a coupon code for you guys below. So long story short, I put some lot of body in my hair and I rotted it, and it did not come out the way that I wanted it to. So I have some leave out in the front, as you guys can tell. I need to straighten my leave out because this heat ain't no joke. I need to straighten my leave out, and I'm just going to add some curls to it. So I have my flat irons, which I've had these flat irons for years now, and I have some Conair hair curlers. So yeah, I'm not gonna do too much talking. I just want you guys to, I guess, kind of get ready with me, watch me style my hair. So yeah, if you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave those below. Thank you guys for clicking on this video. I really appreciate it, and I love you guys. If you are not subscribed, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And on to the video.
Let's go. Let's go. Turn up. Let's go.
go ahead and put on the shirt that I'm wearing before I went ahead and finger comb my curls. For one, because I want them to cool off. I feel like your curls hold tighter once they're cool. So yeah, I really do like it, you guys. I think it came out really pretty. This is my first time like curling this hair with the curling with the curler one. You guys tell me what you think. I think it came out gorgeous, but you guys of course let me know what y'all think. I need to get like some oil and grease and all that good stuff for my hair, and I will when I'm about to go to the store now. But you guys let me know what you think. I think it came out really cute. You know how I like that hair behind my ear. Okay. I feel like y'all can hear me better if my child hush. Alright, y'all. So here's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this of me styling my hair and I guess like a get ready with me, definitely let me know in the comments. And if you're new, once again, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next. Oh, and all the links for this hair will be listed below in the bio, so make sure you guys check out this hair. And I have a coupon code down there as well y'all can use for this hair if y'all want some of it. But I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, y'all.